to do and how they are going to go for another training.
Thiini wa circular iria yarekereirio tariki 19 mweri wa Januari mwaka uyu, Ministry ya Githomo yaheanire mwerekera wa kunyitithania mathomo ma gikiro kia diploma ma arutani a nathari na arutani a thukuru cia muthingi, undu uria wambatiritie grade ya guthomera urutani wa nathari kuma D+ nginyagia C plain. Ikinya riri ona kuhanora uguo niritungitio uregani munene umuthi Ataramu ngurani na arutani aria makoretwo magithomithia arutani a nathari magitariria kamiti ya Senate igi githomo ati ikinya riri ni ria kunina githomo kia nathari.
This merging has two implications. One, it scraps early childhood. It cuts the pathway. Early childhood is a profession, is a discipline, and it is an education system by itself.
And we have gained a lot by having professionals that are purely ECD, and they are working in different frames of life, and we need to continue this conversation. And such kind of circulars are really detrimental to the premiums we have gained over time.
Circular ino oho ikiheana mwerekera wa kurugamia mathomo kuri arutwo othe aria marathie na mbere na mathomo, undu uria ucungiriirie makaya kuma kuri aciari na makirima arutwo aria matoi mekurora nako.
We have students who were admitted in August, and the circular discontinues them on 19th January. What are we talking about? What do you tell these students?
This circular is talking about, eliminating the upgrading program. That one we cannot allow, because where will these ECD teachers who are already working, they cannot leave their husband or the children to go to the TTC and train for 3 months.
Arutani a nathari makoragwo rungu rwa thirikari cia county. MWEREREKA giti wa kamiti ya mathomo thiini wa KANJU ya magavana ERICK Mutai akiuga thirikari igubatara shiringi bilioni 12 makiria gukinyaniria mubango uyu.
C does not recognize early childhood teachers. We have teachers with certificates owners teaching in our public schools, public primary schools. These teachers need to be upgraded through an affirmative action to diploma level. We cannot lose these teachers just because we have decided the qualification needs to go to a higher grade.
We're going to have an increment, or we'll need around 12 billion to handle what they are proposing. And so from us as COG, we are saying that this circular is illegal in the first place.
KANJU ya magavana riu yugite iguthimira igotini kurugamia ukinyaniria wa mubango uyu, ikiuga thengia ya gukorwo tagereirio mawoni ma muingi ni uragarara watho na njira ingi nyingi.
For any education reforms to take place or any changes, there must be a public participation, and that is the constitution. It is not an option.
We are preparing our lawyers to go to court like yesterday, because this thing is just wrong and is totally against the devolution of this nation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.